Did you know your daily diet can determine your chance of developing Alzheimer's disease? This isn't just a wild claim, but is backed by a new study, suggesting that a diet emphasizing plants can drastically reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is a global concern, with an estimated 32 million people currently diagnosed, and a staggering 315 million showing preclinical signs. The good news? Adherence to a nutritious diet can halve the risk of developing this disease. That's right, just by changing what's on your plate, you can fight back against Alzheimer's. So, what should be on your plate? The study highlights key elements of a brain-healthy diet, including high intakes of folate, vitamins E and C, and fish. By incorporating these into your meals, you're not just feeding your body, but you're nourishing your brain and arming it against cognitive decline. In conclusion, the food you consume daily can significantly impact your likelihood of developing Alzheimer's. Are you aware of the specific diets and foods that can protect you against Alzheimer's? Let's delve into some power-packed diets and foods that can build a fortress against this disease. First off, the Mediterranean diet, packed with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats from olive oil and fish. It's a treasure trove of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that can ward off Alzheimer's. Next up, the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy, providing a balanced blend of nutrients to protect your brain. The MIND diet, a hybrid of the Mediterranean and DASH diets, emphasizes the consumption of green leafy vegetables and berries, both known for their brain-boosting properties. And let's not forget the humble, rice-based diets of East Asia, offering a simple yet effective approach to maintaining cognitive health. The common thread among these diets? They all encourage the consumption of green leafy vegetables, vibrant fruits, legumes, omega-3 fatty acids, whole grains, and nuts. These nutrient-rich foods provide a solid defense against Alzheimer's. Incorporating these diets and foods into your daily meals can significantly lower your Alzheimer's risk. On the other hand, do you know which foods can increase your risk of Alzheimer's? Research indicates that ultra-processed foods and meats can heighten the risk. These foods are often high in saturated fats and processed ingredients, leading to obesity and diabetes, both established risk factors for Alzheimer's. Imagine a diet filled with processed meats, sugary drinks, ready meals, and high-fat dairy products. Such unhealthy eating habits create a dangerous domino effect, linking to conditions that pave the path towards Alzheimer's. Alarmingly, a study predicts a 50% increase in Alzheimer's rates in the United States by the year 2038. This looming health crisis is tied to the rising trend of obesity, primarily driven by the consumption of meats and ultra-processed foods. It's a stark reminder of the power our diet holds over our health and well-being. In conclusion, our dietary choices play a pivotal role in our brain health. By being mindful of what you consume, you can significantly lower your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease.